Hi friends, welcome to One Thought channel. In this channel, we will discuss about software testing. Today, we will discuss about software development lifecycle. Before going to this software development lifecycle models, we have some models like a waterfall model, V model, and Agile model. Present the trend is going on in software field is a Agile model. Before that, we will discuss on waterfall model and V model. What is a waterfall model? The waterfall model was the first process model to be introduced. It is also referred to as a linear sequential life cycle model. It is a very simple to understand and use. In a waterfall model, each phase must be completed before the next phase can begin, and there is no overlapping in the phase. This is a methodology is a preferred in the projects where the quality is a more important as a comparing to the schedules or cost. The methodology is the best suitable for the short-term projects where the requirements will not change. Example, calculator, endurance, and management. The waterfall model is the earliest SDLC approach that was used for the software development. Before going to the waterfall model, we have to discuss about a SDLC, software development lifecycle. We already discussed the previous video on SDLC. We have to once we have to see the SDLC model when you are preferring the waterfall model. In this, when in the waterfall model we have a stages. Waterfall model we have some stages and what are they? The requirement gathering, analysis, design, coding, testing, and deployment. In this we have here some advantages and disadvantages of a waterfall model. What are the advantages we will see? Simply and easily to understand and use. First one. Second one. Phases are proceed and completely once at a time. Works well for a small projects where the requirements are very well understood. Fourth one, clearly define the stages. Some disadvantages also there for water model. What are they? The backtracking is not possible. That means we cannot go back and change the requirement once the design stage is reached. Second one, the end result of the waterfall model may not be flexible product. It is not suitable for their long-term projects where the requirements may be changes the time to time. Waterfall model can be used only when the requirements are very well known and fixed. Next we will discuss about a V model. What is a V model? The V model is the SDLC model where the execution of a process that happens in a sequentially manner in a V shape. It is also known verification and validation model. Before going to learn these two models, we definitely know the SDLC model. Okay, how the process will be going on V model we will discuss. First phase, first we have a requirement specification. Second we have functional specification. Third we have high design, low design. Fourth one and coding and unit test and system test, integration test, and accepting test. Let's see how the development team and the test team involves in the each phase of a SDLC in UV model. We will discuss these steps, how the development team and test team will work. Once the client sends the BRS, both the teams test and development starts there the activities. The developer translate the BRS to SRS. BRS means what? Business requirement system. The test team involves in the reviewing the BRS to find the missing and wrong requirements and the right accepting the test plans and accepting test cases. In the next step, the development team sends the SRS, software requirement system. The testing team for reviewing and the developer starts the building the high level design documents of your product. The test team involves in reviewing the SRS against the BRS and write the system test plans and test cases. In the next stages, the development team starts the building the low-level design of the product. The test teams involved in reviewing the high-level designs and write the integration test plans and integration test cases. In the next stage, the development teams release the build of the test team. Once the unit testing was done, the test team carries out functional testing, integration testing, system testing, and acceptance testing. They release the build step by step. In this, we have some advantages and disadvantages in V model. What are the advantages we will discuss? This is the highly disciplined model and phase are completely once at a time. Work well for the small projects the way the requirements are well understood. Next one, simple and easily to understand and use. Disadvantages, not a good model for the complex and object oriented projects. Pure model for the long and ongoing projects. Ongoing projects in the middle of the projects it will not take place. Once an application is in the testing stage, it is a difficult to take back and change the functionalities. If you like my video, please like and subscribe.